Hello everybody, welcome back to the RSH.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable notify when found for your smart tag made by RSH. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to Apple Find My and then click it here. Now we want to scroll down, and here in notifications we will have an option to enable or disable notify when found. As you guys can see, I cannot enable it right now, but I did test that before and I could change that. So all you have to do is just swipe from the left to the right or tap on the switch. As you guys can see, here we have also notify when left behind. We can disable it and it works basically the same. We just click this switch and here you do the same, but for me now this is not working. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.